Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu has nominated Donald Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize. He announced this when he met the US President on July 7. Netanyahu told Trump that the nomination was well deserved. Trump blew his own trumpet on his desire for the coveted honor. He said that the gesture was meaningful coming from Netanyahu. The news comes at a time when the humanitarian situation in Gaza has worsened. Meanwhile, the talks between Israel and Hamas resumed in Qatar on Sunday. Hamas reacted positively to the US-led truce for 60 days in the ongoing war. It also insisted on changes to the Qatari proposal. This includes continued negotiations for a permanent ceasefire, the UN-monitored international humanitarian aid to Gaza as opposed to the US-Israeli Gaza Humanitarian Foundation or GHF, and the deployment of Israeli forces in the Palestinian enclave. But Israel said the changes Hamas had requested were unacceptable. Over 700 Palestinians were killed at the GHF centers alone for seeking aid. At least 57,338 Palestinians were killed and 135,957 others injured in Israel's genocidal war on Gaza since October 2023. At least 50 out of the 200 Israeli hostages are currently held by Hamas in Palestine. The Israelis, including the families of the hostages, continue demanding their release. They have accused Netanyahu and his right-wing allies of deliberately thwarting the deals for personal and political gains. Netanyahu has been on a long-running trial for corruption charges since 2020. He was charged with bribery, fraud, and breach of trust in 2019. Israel's parliament also claimed Netanyahu was misusing regional conflicts to do away with the corruption charges. The International Criminal Court issued arrest warrants for Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant for war crimes in Palestine. Meanwhile, Netanyahu and Trump continued to push for the displacement of Palestinians to the neighboring countries, claiming progress for their ultimate and dangerous goal of turning Gaza into a Riviera of the Middle East.